Hey guys! What's up? So guys, for today's vlog, ayan, may i-unbox tayo. So guys, ayan, dumating na yung ating parcel from Pinoy Fitness. Kung familiar kayo guys sa virtual challenge ng Pinoy Fitness, meron silang virtual run na 4-part series ito, which is every quarter, iba-iba yung leg niya. So natapos na natin yung first and second leg. So ito yung medal natin for second leg. And magre-register pa lang tayo for the third. But before natin tong i-unbox guys, quick background lang kung paano ba ako napasok sa running era. Yung first run ko nung 2018 pa, which is sumali ako sa Milo Marathon. Yung tinakbo ko noon is only 5 kilometers lang. And then, hindi na siya nasundan ng ilang years. Last year, 2024, dun ulit ako nainggan yung tumakbo ulit. Sumali tayo sa mga running events last year. So, una dyan is yung 7-Eleven run, which is yung tinakbo natin is 10 kilometers. And then, after yung 7-Eleven run, guys, so gusto ko rin talaga sumali sa 2024 National Milo Marathon. Tinakbo naman natin is also 10 kilometers din, guys. After nun, ang sinalihan naman nating running event ay itong Yakult, which is 16 kilometers, guys. So far, itong 16 kilometers, guys, yung pinaka mahaba na nating naitakbo sa ating running era. After naman nun guys, so nasundan ulit yon. UP run naman, tinakbo lang natin is only 5 kilometers guys. Kinabukasan, tumakbo naman tayo sa QC Eco Run, which is 10 kilometers guys. Then after nun, this year, noong 2025 yan, sumali naman ulit tayo ng 7-Eleven run. Ang itinakbo natin is 16 kilometers na guys. After nun, hindi na siya nasundan. And doon natin na-discover ito virtual run ng Pinoy Fitness. Yung unang leg ay itong ang Pinoy Fitness Earth Virtual Challenge. Nakuha na natin yung medal na yan. Ito guys. Yan. And then, ito na nga guys, yung pang second quarter, which is yung second leg na FAR Virtual Challenge. So, ito yung i-unbox natin. So guys, tara, buksan na natin itong medal natin para sa FAR Virtual Challenge ng 4-part series ng Pinoy Fitness Virtual Challenge. Tara na, let's go! Guys, ito na nga ang FAR Virtual Challenge medal ng Pinoy Fitness. Wow, yun. Ganda talaga ng medal ng Pinoy Fitness. So, yung FAR Virtual Challenge 2025. Ayan. 125k finisher. Yan. Nandiyan din yung pangalan ko. Ito yung maganda guys sa Pinoy Fitness kasi meron siyang nilalagay na name. Ayan. Oh, diba? 125k June finisher. Alam niyo ba kung anong pinakamaganda dito? Kasi umiikot to. Yung talaga yung pinakagusto ko guys. Ganda. So guys, ayan, kung meron pa kayong mga vlogs na gusto mong gawin, so don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video guys. And we'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!